Hey guys, good evening everyone. It's Angelo Christian. Thank you so much for watching Talk with Angelo, where we do our show every Thursday, 6 p.m. Central. We really appreciate all you guys coming on the show. We're a nationwide direct lender, been serving America for nearly 2 decades. Angelo Christian Financial, your lender, your source, where America goes for funding, guys, for the last 20 years. And we have a ton of content on our YouTube library. We have all kinds of information. You can check us out on YouTube, Angelo Christian Mortgage. You can check us out on Instagram, official Angelo Christian, Facebook, Angelo Christian, our website, officialangelochristian.com. We're a nationwide lender based here in Texas and Florida. We lend all over the country. We have all different types of programs: FHA, VA, USDA, conventional, jumbo loans, hard money loans, no doc loans, private loans. That's really one of the things that, being in the industry for so long, that I really wanted to create was a company that had programs for all different types of situations. Because you have some people that need asset-based loans, you need some people that need a hotel loan, some people that need, a private mortgage, some people need an FHA loan, a construction loan, a VA loan. So we wanted to, figure out how we could create a company where we could have all those services under one roof, one umbrella, with our funding partners, and that's what we've essentially been able to create. And so we work every single day, endlessly, tirelessly, to deliver and serve and help. So that's why we're here. That's what we do. We answer all of your real estate questions, credit, mortgage, the best of our ability. And so, whatever we can do to help, to add value, to help to transform your life, help to take you to the next level, to succeed, to ascend, that's what we're about. That's what we're committed to doing here. So really appreciate all you guys, coming on the show and the channel, watching me, and we're here to help and deliver. And obviously, I couldn't do it by myself. I have a team here of people that help me every single day to work very hard to help, and serve and deliver. So I have a lot of stuff I want to talk about tonight. We're getting through. It's March now. The warm weather is coming upon us, spring, and we have a lot of loan programs that have actually come out this year that I'm very excited and pleased to be able to talk about, that we're able to offer. Because again, you have people that have drastic situations. Some people are building homes. Some people want to take out a line of credit for investments. You have some people that need asset-based loans. We get those calls every single day, all different types of situations. And so we figure out, what's the best program. Like today I had a client say, hey, I have a house in Brooklyn, New York. It's worth $1 million. I don't have great credit. I need to do an asset-based loan on my rental property. Can you give me a private loan? Hey, no problem. We got you covered. I had another customer in California wants to build a $500,000 home, modular home with Palm Harbor, on their land that they own free and clear. I have another client that he wants to do a line of credit, a first lien HELOC. So we have all these different type of loan programs to be able to offer you guys. And so, because you have people that have so many different type of situations. And so we want to be your lending source, your hub for finance, for mortgage. When you think mortgage, you think Angelo Christian. So call or text our office, 832-431-6331. We want to be able to help you with any type of situation that we possibly can. Now, obviously, we can't help everybody. We're not perfect. I make a lot of mistakes, but our heart, our spirit's in the right place, I believe, and we try to help people the best that we can to serve and make a difference. So, if that's a group that you want to be with, then we're the right lender for you. So please, reach out to us. You can click on the link down below. If you want to get signed up to get pre-approved with Angelo Christian, you can click on that link down below. Or you can call or text our office. We're open 7 days a week. What lender is open 7 days a week, guys? Not many lenders. I don't know any lender that's actually open 7 days a week. But you can call or text us, 832-431-6331. We want to be here to help you, to make it happen, to deliver, to get it done. So that's our introduction. Hope that wasn't too long-winded. So talking about loan programs I wanted to talk about tonight. I have a few loan products I want to talk about. And again, if you guys have any questions, anything that you want to discuss or bring up, obviously feel free to bring that down below. Chat me, text me, whatever. I'll answer those questions as fast as I can, as best I can. So the first few loans I want to talk about tonight is construction loans. That's a big thing I want to go over. Private loans is another big thing, private lending. No doc hard money loans, asset-based loans. Okay. That's a huge thing right now in the marketplace is no doc hard money, private lending, construction loans, the doctor loan program. The doctor loan program is an awesome loan program if you're a doctor. Doctor programs are amazing, incredible loan product if you're a physician or you're about to become a physician and you just got out of school and you're about to start your job. So very cool products to be able to offer to people that we offer. So the biggest thing and you've seen me talk about this a lot on our show, is the construction loan. The construction loan, the one-time close construction, is a thing that's near and dear to my heart. I used to own a home building company, and I really believe that, in the next 2 decades, as land becomes more scarce, home prices continue to rise, interest rates go up, builders' inventory is decreasing. People are going to want to be able to build their own house. They're going to want to buy a piece of land, and then they're going to want to be able to construct their home on there. Whether it's a modular home, a manufactured home, a barn dominium, a stick-built house, whatever. People like to do that kind of thing, and I believe that. I don't know if everyone else believes that. Not everybody wants to build their house, but a lot of people do. So we want to be the lender poised to be able to help you, to get you in position, to get you the funding so you can build your home. Okay? So we want to be, that's why we're here in the marketplace, to deliver and serve, to get you the best funding out there that's possible with Angelo Christian Mortgage. That's what we've been doing, guys, for the last 2 decades. So we have a one-time closed construction loan where you can buy the land, get the construction loan, and get the permanent loan all wrapped into one loan. So you don't have to do a separate land loan, a separate construction loan, a separate final mortgage. We can give you one loan bundled into all of them, and you can get a one-time close construction. And it's really the premier way, one of the best ways to go if you're trying to buy a house. So that way you just have to do one qualification, one closing, and you can get all those loans bundled in together. And so I'm a big fan of that, huge proponent, a big advocate of the one-time close construction. Okay. There are some requirements for it, and I want to go over that with you guys. So the biggest thing that I'm going to talk about first is if you go up to a loan amount of $647,200, that's the conventional loan limit. They require a 5% equity investment, either from your land or from a down payment. So if you own land, like I was talking about my client earlier today in California, they own their land, it was worth $40,000. Their land is their down payment. So if you own land or you're gifted land, we're going to use the appraised value today, and your land is your down payment. Okay, your land is your down payment. So that's the really powerful thing about the one-time close construction. If you don't own the land, then you have to put 5% down. Now, you can go up to a much higher loan amount than that. You can go up to $1.5 million loan. Now, obviously, the higher you go, the more equity investment is required. So if you go up to $1.5 million loan, it's a 25% equity investment, either from your land or from your down payment, from your cash assets. But you have to put 25% into the deal. So you can go up to $1 million, and that's with 20% down, or 20% land equity, either one. You can get your closing costs included in this loan. And any contingencies, there's usually a 10% contingency reserve. You can also get that included in the loan too. You have to pay monthly payments on interest only while the house is being built. And so those interest payments can be anywhere from a 4% to a 4.5% interest rate. And if it's a conventional loan, we can lock the interest rate today for a 1-year lock out to the future. Okay. So that's a really, really hot program. It does require a 700 credit score. It does require full documentation, either tax returns, bank statements, or W-2s to get approved. The maximum debt ratio for the program is 45%. But it is an awesome program, and it's here to help you guys to get you the funding if you're trying to build a home. So if you're someone out there, maybe your bank told you need 20% down, or your bank doesn't offer construction loan. A lot of lenders don't do construction loans. We offer it, okay? We don't offer it nationwide. We offer it in our key states like Texas, Florida, Colorado, California, major states that have a larger population. We don't do it in New York, but we do offer in a lot of the main states that we lend in. You can inquire with us to get more information about what states we do the construction loans in, and I can share that with you. We have a website that has all that information too. So, but if you're someone out there, you're looking to do a one-time closed construction loan, please reach out to us. We'd love to help you in any way that we can with a one-time closed construction. So that's one of my favorite loan products, and because again, you can get all your closing costs included. Just do one closing and you can build your dream home. So I'm very passionate about people being able to build their house. So that's an awesome program. And guys, don't forget too, if you give Angelo Christian a 5-star review on Google, we hook you up with a free Amazon gift card. So any of you guys out there, if you go to Angelo Christian Mortgage on Google, I'm trying to build my Google fan page, obviously. We have almost 500 reviews, and so my goal is to get to 1,000 reviews. And so the more reviews I can get, that will really help us out. So any of you guys out there that you're happy with the company, you're happy with the service, I hope that you are. We work very hard for that. Give us a 5-star review on Google, and we'll hook you up with a free Amazon gift card. You guys are my friends, fans, your subscribers. We want to be able to help and give back to you guys in the best possible way that we can. So if you're out there and you love Angelo Christian, just go to our YouTube page, Angelo Christian Mortgage on Google. Give us a 5-star review. That would mean an awful lot to us. We'll hook you up with a free Amazon gift card. So, and we also do our giveaway every Thursday on the show for a test question. And if you win, you also get a free Amazon gift card. It's another cool thing that we do to give back. So going into now, I want to talk about the doctor loan, because that doctor loan is a really, really cool product that we've rolled out for this year. And it's an awesome program. I mean, it's really a no-brainer opportunity, 100% financing, no money down, up to $1 million. You can purchase a duplex. It's a low interest rate. Interest rates for excellent credit are right now in the 3s. And then also, you can get your closing costs wrapped into the loan too if the seller doesn't pay it. That's another cool thing you can do. And then the other thing that's really, really cool, it has no mortgage insurance. So you're getting 100% financing and you're not paying any mortgage insurance, which is basically unheard of, because normally you have to put 20% down in order to avoid paying mortgage insurance. But with this program, it's 100% financing, low rate, and get the closing costs included, and no PMI. So if you're a doctor or you're about to get hired on as a physician with a hospital or a company, give us a call, because we have this awesome doctor program for you, and we have that program nationwide. So we're very excited to be able to offer that. If you're a physician and you're looking for a physician loan, think of Angelo Christian. If you have friends that are a physician, think of Angelo Christian. You can go up to $1 million with no money down, 100% financing, up to $1.5 million, I believe, with 5% down, and then $2 million with 15% down. So awesome program. We're very excited and pleased to be able to offer that. So physician loan, one of my favorite loan programs right now is the physician loan. My most favorite loan is the all-in-one HELOC. So the all-in-one HELOC, the first lien HELOC, you can go up to a $2 million loan. You can turn your house into a revolving line of credit. So you can use this on primary residence, you can use it on second home, you can use it on investment property. But the all-in-one HELOC is an awesome program that you can turn your home into a cash flow generator. I have to give an example. I have a client in Boca Raton, Florida, and he has a $2 million home. It's his primary residence, and it was free and clear. And he wants to buy rental properties, wants to buy multifamily properties. I was like, look, we can give you, a $1.5 million loan against your house interest only. You don't have to escrow. There's no PMI. Use it as a line of credit, and you can pay it off whenever you want, or you can go buy a bunch of rental properties. He found like a 20 unit in Orlando that he was going to buy for like $4 million, and he needed money for the down payment. He needed like almost $1 million for the down payment and the closing costs. So we gave him a line of credit on his house in Boca to be able to purchase, the multifamily in Orlando. So it was really, really cool, because it's like, man, that's awesome, because he didn't know where he was going to get the money for the down payment. He could have took it from his stock account or retirement account. He didn't want to touch that. So he took the money out of his the HELOC that we gave him on the house. So there are requirements for it. I want to talk about that. So, and it isn't. So another thing I want to make sure that everyone understands: a HELOC is an adjustable rate. It's not a fixed rate mortgage. A HELOC is adjustable. Ours is on a very stable, secure market called the U.S. Treasury. It's on the monthly Treasury index, so it adjusts monthly. Interest rates are around 4.5% plus or minus. They have a lifetime cap of 9%. But you have to think about that. If their interest rate goes to 9%, gas is going to $12 a gallon. Lumber is going to double, triple in price. So the odds of that happen is extremely, almost impossible. But that can happen. So I want to make sure you guys understand that too. But the bigger picture here is that you can have that money multiply and grow for you as an investor. Think about it. If you pulled out $1.5 million, let's say that the cost of the credit was let's just say worst case scenario, 6%, and you're earning a cap rate of 13% on your investment, your net return is going to be 7%. So it makes it very attractive as an investor to take those funds and allocate them or parlay them into something else that will give you a higher return. And investors understand this very well. That's why they're, one of the richest classes is investors next to business owners, because they understand how to make their money grow for them. It's not for everybody, and I'm not suggesting that it should be, but for people that really understand math and numbers and money, it makes a lot of sense. You can also attach it to your checking account and pay your house off much faster than a regular mortgage. So the all-in-one HELOC, we've shot a lot of videos on the all-in-one HELOC. It's an awesome program, and I highly, highly recommend if you're thinking about getting a loan to replace your mortgage with a HELOC. This loan originated in Australia, and that's pretty much what all the Aussies do is a HELOC. They don't do mortgages. And now it's migrated over to Europe, where Europeans are now doing the all-in-one HELOC. And now it's coming to America, and it's taken off like wildfire. People are excited, they're enthusiastic, they want to do an all-in-one HELOC, getting rid of their mortgage, and doing something that's just more intelligent, more strategic. So look into some of my videos on the all-in-one HELOC. I'm pleased to be able to offer that. We're a direct lender for that opportunity. So if you want more information, you can always call or text us, or go to our Angelo Christian YouTube channel and check out a first lien HELOC or all-in-one HELOC. I have a lot of videos on it explaining how it works, and we're going to be doing more videos on it to educate you and teach you about the all-in-one HELOC. Very, very powerful program. Highly, highly recommend you look into all-in-one HELOC. My favorite loan program by chance. So the other program that I want to talk about, like we talked about earlier, is private lending. So private lending is something that's emerged in a major way. Non-QM loans is what I believe the future of America is. Non-QM lending. I think you're going to see more government loans reduce and delineate, and you're going to see more private lending, non-QM loans emerge, because it's out of the box lending and more common sense underwriting for people's situations. People's situations are getting more complex. Loans are getting more difficult. Government loans and conventional loans are getting more strict and more tighter. Non-QM is more robust, more dynamic, and just makes a lot more sense. It's more catered to self-employed people that have had credit issues in the past, investors. So it makes a lot of sense for a lot of different people. It's not for everybody, and I'm not saying that it is, but I think non-QM loans are really, really powerful, and they're gonna end up growing market share considerably in the long term for sure. I really believe that, because you have all these different types of people. Like, for example, self-employed people, they can't get a conventional loan from their bank, but they could get a non-QM loan. They can use their 1099. They can use their bank statements to purchase a home. Investors can use the cash flow of the rental property to purchase a investment property. They don't have to use their personal income. So there's a lot of situations where these loan programs make a lot of sense for millions of people. There's a ton of different, millions of self-employed small business owners where they can't get a conventional loan or even a jumbo loan. On our non-QM loans, we can go up to a $3 million loan amount. So you can build a brand new home, or you can purchase an existing home on the non-QM. Okay, you can refinance, you can take out cash. Investors can own unlimited rental properties. So it's amazing products that we offer for non-QM. And non-QM stands for non-qualified mortgage, which is basically a different funding channel, loan channel, than conventional lending. It's not a bad loan. It's not a high interest rate loan. The interest rates are, competitive with conventional, slightly higher, but not by much. But it really makes sense for the underwriting, because in the loan processing, because there's a lot of people that don't qualify for traditional, loans. We offer traditional loans. We have conventional. We have government loans. I'm nothing against them at all. But we think that they are the future, of America. I'm not saying it's going to replace conventional. It's not going to replace government loans, but I think it has a big place here in America in the future as more and more lenders come into the marketplace, more and more lenders engage with consumers. You have more investors, more self-employed people. So we're very excited. If you're self-employed and you're trying to get approved for a home loan, think of Angelo Christian. We have interest-only primary residence loans. Another hot product that we offer. You can do interest-only on your primary residence. Okay? If you want a lower payment to have higher cash flow, self-employed love cash flow. I'm self-employed, so I know about how important cash flow is. So if you're out there and you're thinking about how do you get a loan if you're self-employed, think of Angelo Christian. We are the mortgage king. Call or text us at 832-431-6331, or you can click on that link down below in the YouTube channel to get signed up to get pre-approved there with Angelo Christian. So if you have any questions, you want to reach out to us, we're open 7 days a week. We lend nationwide. Call or text us anytime, 832-431-6331, Angelo Christian Financial. Those are the top programs right now that I see in America that are my favorite loan products. So if you're trying to get, like I said, pre-approved for a loan, reach out to us. You can see on our Instagram, we have a ton of different video programs that we offer teaching people about all the different loan products. You can check us out also on our YouTube, Angelo Christian Mortgage. If you have any questions about any loans, any comments, anything that you want to discuss with Angelo Christian, please reach out to us. We're here to help you to deliver and serve. Remember, you can always leave us a 5-star review on Google, and we'll hook you up with a free Amazon gift card. Just text me your email address and send me a snippet of the review that you left, and we'll hook you up with a free Amazon gift card with Angelo Christian. We really appreciate all of your support, all your content. We love you guys so much for watching the show and the channel and being a part of our family. And we're definitely looking forward to the next 20 years, lifetime eternity serving America, helping them to transform, take their life to the next level, be the best that you can be, do whatever it takes to be number one, to serve, to deliver, to make a difference, to add value to people's lives. That's what our company's about with Angelo Christian. So we really appreciate it. We're very grateful for all of you guys watching the show, watching the channel. If we can help with anything, please reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching the channel, the show with Angelo Christian. Take care and peace out, everyone. Thank you.